Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to quickly show you how to quit a fan club on Niki Life. It's very easy, so let's get started. Alright, so there are actually two ways to do this. The first one is by clicking on the club icon at the bottom of your screen. Once you click on that, you're going to land on the club. Now the next thing you just want to do from here is to click on this icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on that, here you're going to get the name of the club, announcements, and other informations. Right, so what you just want to do is look at the bottom of your screen. You find this quit the club, click on that and click on done. Once you do that, you're going to quit successfully. So guys, that's how you can actually quit a fan club on Niki Life. Hope this video was helpful and you now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next